All right, I've got to harvest some cucumbers and tomatoes this morning. Should have done the cucumbers last night, but it got late, and so I skipped it. So I'm hoping they're not insanely out of shape. Gotta stay on top of this stuff. And obviously I didn't yesterday. So, turn you around and show you what we got. So this little, like we said, what's going to be greenhouse is getting big. It's taken off. We've lost a couple of cucumber plants along the ways. Our Lilo bells are looking quite good. More of them there and there. We got Molina's doing good. I need to pull a weed or two. But anyway, we're out here this morning to look at the cucumbers. So let's get these guys. Let's see what we've got. So that guy needs a little more time. So does the one behind him. They're coming on strong. We'll say that one's ready. That one's definitely ready. And that one should have been got yesterday. That one. Those need a few more days. That one is ready to go. Now again, these are the Corinto cucumbers, which is a slicer. This one is a Asian cucumber. That's a, I think, Tasty Jade. Let me see if I can see the tag on this one. Yep, that's a Tasty Jade. And that one's ready to go. These have a look of a muncher. Let's see if they are. Yes, it's a Socrates. So, another day or two. There's another Corinto ready. Actually, we got 2 ready. So we'll take that one off. And we'll take that one off. Alright, I'm going to finish harvesting these. I'll bring you back in a minute. So, there's the cucumber harvest for the day. This season's just getting started, so things go well. This should be a lot more than that just shortly. So I'm going to go harvest some tomatoes. We'll show you what's going on there. Okay, so here's our tomatoes. Look how nice those big Dinas are. Over there. Alright. We got some cherry tomatoes. We got some of our Clementine salad tomatoes. Pink Wonders. Some Carolina Ox Hearts. And then these are Edox cherry tomatoes. They started out slow before they're doing well now. And as you can see, we've got to do some lowering and leaning today. So, our BHN 589s, unfortunately, my daughter, these are determinants that I would not have pruned, and my daughter pruned them yesterday. So, it's going to drastically hurt. Thankfully, she didn't take all the suckers off. She only took off the low ones, but that was over half the plant. But we'll see how they do. Over there is our new cucumber planting. I get to check that out today and see how it's doing. All right. That is the finish of today's harvest. About 40 ounces of cherry tomatoes and about 14 pounds of tomatoes. So we're very happy with that. And I ended up with the cucumber total was 12 munchers. Socrates, technically, it's a muncher type, and 12 slicers, which is Corinthos, and 5 English/Asian, which is the Tasty Jade. So we've got those took care of, processed, and now I gotta go prune some cucumber vines. All right, y'all have a good one.